What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're gonna do an unboxing. There's a box behind me, and I think it's my new splitting maul, so pretty excited. Let's cut to the intro though. So in preparation for winter, my roommate and I have acquired rounds, and instead of having to rent out a splitter or try and get on a wait list or whatever, so I ended up picking up a sledgehammer and wedge from our local DIY store, which the sledgehammer is just complete crap, but you get what you pay for, I guess. It was like 35 bucks, but decided to order a nicer splitting maul because they didn't have any. And I remember that Fiskars were pretty solid. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't too expensive. I think I paid like 40 bucks for it as well. So we'll see if the price is worth it. Hopefully it doesn't just break the minute I try and split something, but yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box. Ugh, okay. So I decided to get the 8-pound because I think a 10-pound maul is a bit much. You know, if you can, these rounds aren't massive, and I need to split. I need to chainsaw some of them still, but. Oh yeah, this thing is a beaut. Definitely heavy, not super sharp, but you know, mauls aren't meant to be really sharp. It's supposed to have this nice sharp-ish end. There is a couple of things that I'm not sure I'm super stoked about. It looks a little warped, but definitely 8 pounds. Hopefully that's just meant for looks. I don't want to have to be changing out the actual head of a maul. I like the rubber grip on it. It feels good. I'm excited to see what this thing can do. So why don't we cut to some wood splitting? What's going on, guys? So, got to test this bad boy out today. It is a freaking game changer compared to the wedge and sledgehammer method. Even on some of the bigger rounds, yeah, you just go off with this thing and it will split it eventually. I used the flat side to hit the steel wedge a couple times, and you know, having the sharp end facing you is a tad bit sketchy, even if you are doing it correctly. It's just, you never know. I highly recommend for any of those who want a cheap solution to split wood and know what they're doing, because this is dangerous. Now, I've done this a few times before. I have a little bit of experience, but if you've never split wood by yourself, make sure that you're doing proper technique. Ask somebody for help to kind of show you. There are multiple ways to split wood, so you can either do it with a mechanical splitter or you can do it with a splitting maul. Smaller pieces you can do with a splitting axe, and if you need to, you can always resort to the sledgehammer and wedge to really make it easy. A diamond wedge, which is basically just like a cone. It looks like an ice cream cone, and you just hammer that into the middle. It'll split the log a tiny bit so that you can go in with a splitting maul and finish it up. Yeah, again, I highly recommend this one. It was like 40 something bucks off of Amazon. This will definitely get the job done. Highly recommend. I would say 5 out of 5 for sure. The grip is really nice with gloves, and always wear gloves and eyewear when you're splitting wood. In the videos prior, you can see a bunch of like splintering happening, so wood chips are going everywhere, dirt's flying, you never know what could be up in the air and get into your eye, so always make sure you're wearing eyewear. But sweet, if you guys liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. I am going to be getting in a lot more stuff as winter gets closer from Amazon, and I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews on these items, so I'm really excited. And I'm getting my phone hopefully this week, my new one, and so there's going to be a lot more unboxing videos to be had with some short demo videos, because I am just a one-man show. I don't have anybody else to shoot me doing these activities, so it is kind of tedious to constantly set up a camera, do the activity, move the camera, and all that stuff. It is a lot more professional, and I should be more adamant about doing it, but life happens. However, I do want this channel to grow. I want to be able to provide that sort of video for you guys. So again, the way that you can show that support is hitting the like and subscribe button. Yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.